past all the shoes.
Yeah, yeah. There's a couple. I got a couple in there.
Yeah.
All right.
Where is the actual shoe shop?
Okay, well, I'm gonna pause while we go by these people.
Okay.
I don't want them in our video. Okay. All right. Pause. All right. All right. It's crazy fun. Crazy. Snap. Snap. Well, that guy was one of my landmarks, so I know we're close.
Yeah. It needs that thing right there.
Yeah, okay, yeah, okay.
And the black dog. We can go up right where the black dog's at.
Alright, okay. Alright. Dun dun dun. We're going, yeah, no, we're way further down.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, okay. Okay, come on. This is a really cool shortcut, though.
Get a little thing now.
People probably think I'm crazy, but we love this.
We are.
I am crazy. Is it recording? Good. I'll make you guys start. We're gonna make you guys start over. All right, cool. Here we go.
All right.
Corey's way ahead of you guys. She's not with the family video, so she's not getting in the pictures for some reason.
Oh, look at all the shells.
All right.
Somebody's shells. Leave them alone.
All right.
Our tent.
There's our tent right there. Yep. Ta-da!
Have a seat in the chairs. Would I take them stuff or what? So we're gonna do it.
Yeah, you guys chill out.
Well,
I be back. Yep, we're gonna go home, baby. Okay, everybody, go back over there, Corey. Everybody. This way. I don't want, there's people over there I don't want to get in the shot. Okay, right there, get together. Click. All right, say cut.